Greetings everyone. First of all, welcome to I hope I'm audible as well as visible to all of you. Um, welcome to the last result evaluation stream or last event of this hackathon of this community for this tenure, that is Hacker Relay. And my name is Shruti Sharma. I'm the community lead of Google Developer Student Club at Dronacharya College of Engineering, and I'm the community lead of Google Developer Student Club for this campus. So, in today's stream, we will announce the result, and we will also calculate the result for the two tracks of Hacker Relay. That is, first one is content creation, and the second one is development. For both the tracks, we have teams that we have selected for the final round. The top three teams of development track are Tech Hack, My PG Life, and Default. And the top two teams of content creation track is Rogue Mystics and DC Code Warriors. The reason why we have chosen two teams of content creation part is because the rest of the entries, for the rest of the entries, teams have exactly copy pasted the videos from YouTube and internet, so we couldn't take that further. That's why there are two teams in content creation part and three teams in development part. For the prototyping part, for the prototyping track, the judge for the same is uh, has to go somewhere, has some urgent work, so that due to that she is not present here, and the final result evaluation for the prototyping track will happen tomorrow before 12 p.m. The details for the same, the schedule for the same will be shared on Discord as well as on our all of our handles, so you can stay tuned for that. So I'll call Isha now for announcing or for welcoming our judges. Isha, you can carry on.
Judges for Hacker Relay are as follows. Our judge for the content creation track is Miss Bhumika Chugh. She is the assistant professor of computer science engineering at Dronacharya College of Engineering. We welcome you, ma'am. Our judge for development track is Mr. Naman Singh. He is a cross-platform mobile and application developer and is currently working as a software engineer at Bharti Airtel. We welcome you, sir.
Okay, so now we will start calling the teams as well as uh, the judges can evaluate, can share the marks for all the teams in the evaluation sheet that are already been shared with them. First of all, we'll start with the content creation track. So, Bhumika ma'am, first of all, it will be great if you can just tell if everything is sorted till now, everything is clear till now.
Yeah, good evening, Shruti. Everything is fine at my side. You can start the event.
Okay, great. Okay, so
We
for
will be we will be first starting with the content creation track, result evaluation, and I would like to call our first team, Rogue Mystics on the limelight.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. We are the group Rogue Mystic. Myself, Prerna from IoT branch Fortson. Here have I my fellow members, Ishan, also from IoT branch Fortson, and Umang and Vishal from CSE1 Fortson. For the Hacker Relay content creation competition, we choose the topic how can gamification enter our classrooms and transfer the educational system as a whole, and I'm grateful that our video was selected for the final evaluation. Thank you so much for that. Here we present our little effort. My fellow Ishan will share his screen to show you our video. Ishan, volume. Ishan, we can't hear the volume. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Please, I hope you will wait for 2 minutes.
I think you can also do it from his behalf. You can just share the application rather than just the screen.
Okay, may I share the link of the video?
Yeah, you can do that also. Just take care of the time that is taken for the same. Just be a little quick.
Still nothing is audible.
Okay, so I know the issue. Basically, if you are using Google Meet, you have to share a tab. Unless and until you are sharing a tab, the sound will not be audible.
I'll share the screen and please let me know if the volume, if the
Sure,
audio is
sure.
audible or not.
Yeah, this is fine now, Shruti.
Okay, great. Let me just mute myself.
Gamification, defined as the use of game mechanics, dynamics, and frameworks to promote desired behaviors, has found its way into domains like marketing, politics, health and fitness, with analysts predicting that it will become a multi-billion-dollar industry.
The gamification theory in education is that learners learn best when having fun. They also know best when they have goals, targets and achievements to reach for, of course in a way the learner still perceives as fun. Because of the addictive features of video games that intrigue children and adults and get them hooked, it's only natural that we see similar engagement results when these game-based elements are applied to learning materials. Gamification in learning involves using game-based elements such as point scoring, peer competition, teamwork, and score tables to drive engagement, help students assimilate new information and test their knowledge. It can apply to school-based subjects but is also used widely in self-teaching apps and courses, showing that the effects of gamification do not stop when we are adults.
Thank you so much for playing the video.
Yeah, the video was quite nice. Let me ask you things from you. First of all, what was the motivation about this content you created?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, the motivation about this content was like we are also studying engineering and we get pretty bored for subjects we study. So we would like to enhance our learning by implementing the same subjects and topics we learn through games.
Okay, Umang. So what kind of games you are, trying to portray in this field?
Ma'am, some games which are some applications which are using which are currently in use for gamifications are Minecraft Education Edition, Read Along by Google, Kahoot, where you can make quizzes, and Duolingo, where you can learn various languages.
Okay. Next question. What is the difference between a game and a gamification you created? You have written the complete sense, right? Due to the video was a little faster, I was unable to read all of these. So can you just elaborate what was the points?
Uh, Ma'am, basically, there are four elements of games. First one, goal. Second, rules. Third, challenge or conflicts. And fourth, feedback. So basically, we can implement these elements in non gamified uh, process or things like if normally uh, we took stairs in metro and many places. We can, instead of making normal stairs, we can make it a huge piano type keys as stair that can make that can make it more playful, like
Okay,
that.
so you are trying to say that if we, make games in real life, right, without using our phones or stuffs, we are making games in our real life.
Yes, ma'am. In both video game virtually and in real life scenarios.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you so much, the team, Rouge Mystics. Let's continue with the next team.
Moving on, I would like to call our next team for the evaluation, which is DCE Code Warriors.
I think the team lead is Manav Yadav. Now you can continue.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Manav, am I audible?
Ma'am, our team name is
I think there is some network issue
DCE
from your side.
Code
Yeah,
Warriors,
Manav, you
and
are
we
not
have two
audible.
team members in.
Hello.
2 minutes.
I think he will join again. Um, I think till then we can start with the development part, and Bhumika ma'am, we will continue the part again for the last team, as there is a network issue. The second team member for the same team is not available, not it is not present in the same state, so he can't join. So I think the marks evaluation for the second team of the content creation can take place after the development part. I will first confirm with the Manav. Manav, am
Sure,
I
Hello,
sure.
audible now?
hello. Am I audible, ma'am? Now,
Yeah, you are audible now.
so sorry
Can we
for the
start?
network issue. Yes, ma'am.
No
Sure.
problem.
I think there is some network issue. He just messaged me. Bhumika ma'am, we will take the last team at the end. After
Sure, sure, no problem.
Isha, now you can announce the development track team.
Now let us move on to the next track evaluation, which is development. I would like to call our first team, Tech Hack, for their evaluation. Team Tech Hack, the stage is all yours. Now you can join.
Hello, good morning all judges. This side team Tech Hack consisting of three members namely Priyanshu, Aryan and Nishchay. So today we want to show our website on basic utility as well as we have prepared a PPT presentation on same. Firstly, Aryan will tell you about problem statement and then Nishchay will tell about some solution given by us. So let's start it.
Oh, thank you, Priyanshu. Good evening, judges. My name is Aryan, and today I'm going to explain the problem statements. First of all, in today's time, all the work started being done online. जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है, आजकल हर काम ऑनलाइन होने लगा है, जिसकी वजह से लोकल वर्कर्स अनएम्प्लॉयड हो रहे हैं और ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज प्रोफेशनल्स के द्वारा दी जाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से इनके कॉस्ट हाई होते हैं और लोकल वर्कर्स या फिर लोकल पीपल इन्हें अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो if the middle class family boy and a person who is new to locality needs someone to do their work, they are unable to find any worker for themselves at cheap price. And the solution of this problem discussed by Nishcha Sharma.
Priyanshu, it is done. Is it done from your end?
Nishchay will tell about the solution.
Okay, so I think there is some network issue, or you can just message him to unmute himself.
May I report to you?
Yes,
Good evening, judges.
background noises that are coming from you can check your audio. Priyanshu, either you can also tell the solution if there's some problem from Nishchay's end.
Okay, I will tell. So, judges, we have basically created a website in which we are taking services from local workers and giving to local peoples. So, if as we are taking services from local people, so cost will be low and easily affordable by local peoples. And we are also giving an interface where the people from which they are this new locality can interact with them. After that, we have our benefits to try to choose our website. We are taking services from local workers, so they are getting employment. Family get their job done in market prices. New families or person in locality has no need to worry about their work. Usually easily get contact number of worker through website. Boost up local employment. No need to pay extra charges. Our mission is to empower local workers. Then it comes by us. We are providing services at cheap rate and we are providing employment to local workers. Thank you. Now I will show you the our website. So that is we have created this website whose name is local service provider. We are giving many services like maid, electrician, plumber, driver, gardener, and carpenter, babysitter, etc. We are providing this at a very cheap rate where will be easy for local people to afford. Thanks. So this is all from our side. You can continue.
Uh, Priyanshu, can you reshare the slides?
Website.
Yeah, I mean, it was too fast. I wasn't able to get a gist of what you are trying to do here.
Okay, sorry, I am showing you again. This is our
Uh,
website name and this is logo.
okay. So according to your problem statement, you are generating employment for local workers, right?
Yes,
So, I mean, there is a website called Urban Company. Have you heard of it?
yes, but they are giving services to professional workers, which is very
Okay.
at high rate.
So, see, there are actually two scenarios. First one is the professional worker is a licensed worker, right? So,
Yes,
I mean, if he is going to some place and he is doing some stuff, he's certified that he will be able to do that work. But let's suppose if a certain user of yours, certain client of yours you know, uh, is not satisfied by the work that the local service provider has done, then what will you do in that case?
हम उनको हायर करने से पहले चेक करेंगे कि वो क्या केबल है उन पे वो कर सकते हैं या नहीं. हम डायरेक्ट उनको हायर नहीं करेंगे ना.
So basically, there will be a track evaluation for that, right?
Yes,
Okay. Uh, ठीक है. Then how did you choose the? I mean, have you done the development part of this?
we have created just a website.
Yeah, right. So I mean, how did you choose the tech stack for that?
अभी इसके बारे में सोचा नहीं है.
अच्छा. Okay. Uh, I mean, what else can I ask? Like the website, I think it looks good. It's in the initial stage. It looks good.
Yes, we have very less time, so we just created a basic website. We will further create many things in it.
Okay, do one thing. Can you explain me from start to end uh, I mean, how onboarding and how that stuff will be done on your website?
First, we will take input from the people, local people, where they live. Then after that, we will ask them what service they want.
Hmm.
After that, we will show them their prices and they can easily book on that.
Okay. So currently, professional people, what they do is they directly register themselves on Urban Clap, but
Yes,
local service provider will not be able to do that, right? Because they are not
yes.
that much efficient with the computers and all that stuff. So how will you solve this problem?
We will work on it. It is very initial stage. Further, we will try on it.
Okay, ठीक है. We can continue now.
Thank you, Team Tech Hack. Moving on, I would like to call our second team, My PG Live, for the evaluation. The stage is all yours.
Hello, I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay,
It is visible.
yes, okay. Now I'm going to share my PPT part. So our team name is My PG Life, and we are my members are Swastika Agarwal and Rishabh Kashyap. due to some medical reasons, the Rishabh Kashyap was not present at the meeting. So I am going to explain. So as the name suggests, PG life, इसका मतलब यही है कि as most people जो student है या फिर जो office workers हैं, those who are working and studying in the outer states, those they are properly can relate with this problem. Like you are going to study abroad or in other state, you have to live somewhere, right? And you face many problems like food, locality, budget, and you have to take references from many people. You will ask your parents, families, friends, like यार कि कहाँ पे मेरे को एक अच्छा रूम मिल सकता है रहने के लिए, बट स्टिल यू आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड क्योंकि उसके बहुत सारे रीजंस हो सकते हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें, गुड लोकेशन, एक लोकेशन बहुत मैटर करती है कि आपके कॉलेज से या फिर आपके वर्किंग प्लेस से वो आपका पीजी कितनी दूर है. एक देन सेकंड पॉइंट इज बजट, कि आपकी पॉकेट कितना अलाउ करती है आपको उस रूम को लेने के लिए, और वहाँ की वहाँ का लाइफ कैसा है आपके रूम का. ओके, now second third now next problem is food. This is the most I will say the biggest problem in the PG life, because as my friends also live in PG, they say they just give the breakfast and then only dinner. The lunch was not given in the PG, right? Also बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि सिर्फ रोटी ले आते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट में, जब स्कूल कॉलेज आते हैं, और सब्जी लाते ही नहीं है. सो एक ये प्रॉब्लम भी फेस होती है जो लोग पीजी में रहते हैं. एंड देन द मोर यू कैन से वाईफाई एंड द स्पेस, बिकॉज कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सिर्फ अपने आप में ही रहना पसंद करते हैं, रूम शेयरिंग पसंद नहीं करते. तो एक प्रॉब्लम ये भी आती है जब हम पीजी अपना फाइंड करते हैं. ओके, now I will not like to waste the you to see on solution part. I will directly go to our website that we have created for the solution. Okay, so this is our VS code and we have write the whole code. I'm now going to run this code and show you how this solution works. Okay, I have just opened with my server, and this is our home page of our PG life. So this is our logo, as you can see on the top left corner, and this is the search bar where you can find which city you want to search your PG. Right now we have just added 4 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Later if we going to work on this more, then we can also add some more cities, and it will scroll like जैसे कि आप Insta Reels पे देखते हैं, you can scroll, then you can also scroll the cities. Okay, and if you click on the Delhi, then you can see the filter, like are you searching for a male PG or a female PG or unisex PG, right? Basically we have defined the categories which PG you want. Okay, so these are the PGs according to the rates, and the highest rate ranked first and the lowest ranked first. You can click on the options, then it will show you the price list of the PG that you will like. Let's say I choose the PG for girls at Barivoli West. Okay, so I'm going to view this PG. Now you can see the photos, like this PG is going to be look like this, and there are some images like this. This room will going to look like this. We have a AC and the 4 beds, and there is a 1 window, and this is all the classification of the PG room. Okay, now on the right corner you can see like 6 people are interested in this PG, and this is the address of the PG, and this is the rent per month. Okay, and now the facilities available there are also mentioned in this, like Wi-Fi, TV, water purifier, dining, washing machines and etc., as you can see. And about the property, the where this place is located. So like here it is mentioned 2 kilometers far away from the cafe, and every description is given in this portion about the property. Right now many of the users have went before you have searched this PG, so they have given us the rating, like cleanliness is 4.5, food quality is 3.5 according to their taste, and safety, how is the safety, like you are a girl or a student, so safety matter first. So safety ratings are also been there. Okay. And now we have also added the reviews, like what people say about that PG. So if I give one review of the Ashutosh, he said you just have to arrive at that place. It is fully furnished, and the services are well maintained. Okay. So now let's go back. As I uh, tell you that we can click on the PG and we can reach to this site, right? Also, there is mentioned in the top bottom that you can click on this and then also you directly go to this site. Now, what you have to do, you just have to sign in your full name. Let's say I wrote Swastik Agarwal, phone number, email address, password, your college name. For just instant, we have wrote the college name. You can also remove this part. Are you a male or female? Then your account will be created. Okay. After that verification, then login will be have to be taken. Then whole process will be going to be taken like this. And these are the solutions. These are the final view that you can do. So this is all from my side for the solution. Uh, Rest you can carry on.
Thanks, Vastik. That was really nice website. Can you show me the website once again?
Yeah, let me share it once again. Okay, I have just, yes, this is, yes.
How much time did you have to complete this?
Basically, I had just completed this. Half portion was completed. मतलब मैंने इसको जो करा था 10 दिन पहले थोड़ा बहुत बना रखा था. जब टूर्नामेंट जब भी हैकेथॉन आया तो फिर मैंने इसके अंदर ही अपने एडिट्स करने स्टार्ट कर दिए थे, मेरे टीम मेंबर ने और मैंने. तो ये फाइनल प्रोडक्ट है हमारा.
Right. So, see, basically the problem statement here is a B2C, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if you are targeting your consumer, you have to onboard best PGs, right?
Yes.
How are you going to do that?
Okay, so like you have seen the site Superproof, where you can enter as a tutor also and as a student also. So tutor के लिए हम जो मान लीजिए जिसको पीजी अपना दिखाना है यहाँ पे कि मेरे एज अ लैंडलॉर्ड यू आर एंटरिंग, कि अपने आप पीजी को प्रमोट करना चाहते हैं. यहाँ पे हम एक फ्यूचर में एक बटन और लगाएंगे, साइन अप एज अ लैंडलॉर्ड, और आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट टर्म राइट नाउ. सो अपना पीजी के बारे में आप डाल सकते हैं. Let's say example of this. This is a landlord who had wrote about their PG. उसके बाद वो अपना एड्रेस डालेगा, अपने रेट्स डालेगा कि उसके पर रूम के क्या चार्जेस हैं और अपनी सारी डिटेल्स डालेगा. ठीक है. अब जब यूजर आएगा तो उसको ही पूरा शो होगा साइट पे कि हाँ यहाँ पे ये चीज है. बाकी उस पे जैसे इंटरेस्ट पे क्लिक करेगा और बुक कर देगा यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज द फ्यूचर स्कोप ऑफ आवर्स कि कैसे लैंडलॉर्ड B2C प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
Yes.
So I would suggest you go to each and every PG.
Okay.
And have a team, and they should visit each, the structure, how OYO started. I mean, what they did was they actually went to each and every hotel and they checked themselves if that hotel is suitable for listing or not, right? Because if you are going to provide a service that is indestructible, in terms of the service that you are providing, so you have to make sure that your clients are very much satisfied with that.
I will like to say, अगर हम, I don't know how much I am right or wrong, कि अगर हम हर पीजी के वहाँ पे जाएं और खुद ही वेरीफाई करें तो it will consumes a lot of time, lot of team have to बहुत ज़्यादा टीम रिक्वायर्ड होगी. इससे बढ़िया
आपके पास देखो मैं बताता हूँ. आपके पास सिटीज ही कितनी है, मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज आप पहले टारगेट करोगे. उस सिटीज में भी आप पर्टिकुलर लोकेशंस टारगेट करोगे, राइट? ऐसा तो है नहीं आपने पूरे देश में एक बार लॉन्च करना है एक बार में. तो व्हाई नॉट आप खुद जाके वेरीफाई करो कि हाँ भाई सही है या नहीं है.
या दैट कैन आल्सो वर्क, बट ओके, इसके साथ हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि अगर कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम नहीं पहुँच पा रहे हैं, राइट, तो अगर वो लोगों को हमें कनेक्ट कराना है, जैसे होता है कि कुछ लोग बहुत इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं, अपने घर में नहीं घुसने देते, जो भी है, पर उन लोगों को, या फिर बहुत दूर रहते हैं, हमें नहीं पता कि वहाँ पे कोई पीजी है या नहीं है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जहाँ पे वो लोग आके, इंटरनेट सबके पास होता है, वो लोग आके अपना डेटा डालें, और हम अगर क्रॉस वेरीफाई करना चाहें इन फ्यूचर कि हाँ हमें इस पीजी को अपनी साइट पे दिखाना है, हम वहाँ पे जाके एड्रेस पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। ऐसा भी हम कर सकते हैं अगर ये सजेस्टेबल लग रहा हो तो।
ठीक है। हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू स्केल दिस? आप
सॉरी,
इसको स्केल कैसे करोगे?
स्केल कैसे करेंगे? ओके, सबसे पहले तो इस पे वर्क होगा कि इसके यूआई यूएक्स पे वर्क होगा कि जैसे कि यूजर को या फिर जो अपना डेटा डाले उसे उसको इंटरेस्ट लगेगा। तो पहले तो यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, यहाँ पे सिटीज ज़्यादा डालनी पड़ेगी और उसको यूआई ठीक करना होगा। दूसरा हमें क्या करना है, जो हम यूजर से कुछ चार्ज करेंगे, लाइक अपना उसको अपना एक वॉलेट बनाना पड़ेगा ताकि हमें भी फायदा हो और यूजर को भी फायदा हो।
यहाँ पे आप बिजनेस कैसे जनरेट करोगे?
हाँ, बिजनेस कैसे जनरेट करेंगे, हम यूजर से भी चार्ज कर रहे हैं और जो अपना डालेगा डेटा, लाइक अभी हम स्मॉल अमाउंट में हम यूजर से भी चार्ज कर सकते हैं और लैंडलॉर्ड से चार्ज कर रहे हैं। वो अपना डेटा डालेगा, उसको उसको क्या कहते हैं, उसको अपना अपना एडवर्टीजमेंट मिल रहा है करने को, हम और यूजर से उसको उसके रेट पे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसको उसको अपना मन पसंदीदा घर रूम मिल रहा है। तो हमें उन दोनों से कुछ कुछ परसेंटेज का अमाउंट हमें मिल रहा है। तो इस तरह से हम अपना बिजनेस ग्रो कर सकते हैं, लाइक यू
तो
हैव। यस,
बेसिकली यू आर चार्जिंग देम फॉर लिस्टिंग फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल। पहले उनकी लिस्टिंग के लिए आप उनको चार्ज करोगे।
यस,
देन जो कमीशन आप लोगे ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ यूजर आ रहा है उसके बेस पे,
यस।
एंड जो यूजर उसको पे कर रहा है उसका आप अपना सर्विस
नो,
चार्ज लोगे, राइट?
नो, नो।
अच्छा।
यूजर अपना एक वॉलेट अकाउंट बनाएगा जिसमें मैक्स टू मैक्स 100 रुपये डालेगा। उसको सिटी पर सिटी के हिसाब से हम चार्ज करेंगे कि अगर मान लो हमने ये क्लिक करा, हमें रूम पसंद आया, तो हम उसके बेसिस पे हम 100 रुपये चार्ज कर सकते हैं कि आपने बुक कर लिया है, हम 100 रुपये चार्ज कर रहे हैं। अभी मेरा बिजनेस पे इतना फोकस नहीं है, तो आई कांट टेल यू द एग्जैक्ट हाउ कैन आई ग्रो ऑन द बिजनेस, बट इट कैन आई कैन टेल यू व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क मोर ऑन दिस साइड।
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, sir. Shall I stop sharing my screen?
कैन मूव है।
Okay, thank you.
Okay, for the last team, the team lead, we are not able to contact them. So, due to that, we are taking another team in the top three. The name of the team is Team Introspector, and the GitHub ID or the GitHub repo link I'm sharing in the chat box for the judge. And now he'll join in another 1 minute.
It's a private repository.
Is it private?
Yeah.
Just give me a second. I've shared the link. Is it accessible for you, Naman, now?
Yeah, Shruti, it's accessible.
Am I audible?
Hello?
Yeah, is it accessible now?
Yeah, it's accessible.
Okay, so Sai has joined. He is the leader of the team. Sai, you can carry on now. You just need to introduce your team name, team members, problem statement, and your project that you have created.
Yeah, thank you, Shruti. So I'm Sai Kamal. I'm from Team Introspectors, and I've chosen track 3, that is development. And my problem statement goes like this. I've developed a simple web application that keeps track of various emergency supplies that are required by patients who are affected by COVID. So I'm keeping track of various emergency supplies such as remdesivir injection, oxygen cylinders, and availability of hospital beds in hospitals across various states in India. And I'll just showcase the application in 5 minutes.
Sai, is there any problem from your end?
No, just give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm audible, right?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yes. So the title of my project is COVID Emergency Resources. So I have developed this web application using three simple technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is how it looks. It is a simple web application that keeps tracks of various emergency supplies that were of acute shortage in COVID times last year. So my main motive behind this project is to collect and keep track of organize and keep track of various supplies that are crucial in times of COVID. So just last year, in the month of April, our family was affected by COVID, and there was a huge shortage of various key resources such as oxygen cylinders, hospital beds, and plasma across Hyderabad. So it was difficult to procure these resources, and it gave me an idea of developing a simple web application which everyone can easily access. And I have actually developed a Google Sheet, so we can just simply add various leads, various resources in the Google Sheet, and I can directly update the latest leads in the web application. So if anyone sends me a list of new leads, or if anyone sends me the existing status of these leads, I can just simply make changes in the web application, and I can just push it to production. So that's my project.
Okay, Sai. I just had one doubt. I
Yes.
mean, how are you going to dynamically change this website?
I just need to make changes in the code, and the changes will automatically reflect in production.
See,
So I'm not
each
making
and
changes
every
dynamically.
time,
It's a static website.
okay, but see,
Yes.
each and every time a lead is changing, you are,
Yes.
changing your code base itself.
Yes. That's
Is it,
actually one thing.
isn't it a
Yes.
wrong way to approach the solution?
Yes, actually it is not very much suggested. Instead we can create a form, or maybe we can create an admin panel where I can make dynamic changes. I think it will be much more better. So
Right.
I'll just, yes, I'll make
You
sure
can
it,
create a CMS sort of thing,
yes,
and you can dynamically update the values there, and it will be directly reflected on your website. Right.
yes, actually that's the right way to approach it. Yeah.
Okay. And from where are you getting these leads?
Okay, so all the leads are procured from various social media sites, and I actually verified them manually by calling each and every lead.
Okay.
So that's how I collected the data.
Right. So in your website, I cannot see any filter option.
Yes, there's this filter. I can go through the each and every resource manually, and in future maybe I can also add city-wise, state-wise resources.
Right, right, right. Yes, that's what I was going to ask. You have to create a filter on the basis of cities also, and on the basis of emergency supplies also.
Yes, yes,
Okay, okay. You have deployed this website, right?
yes.
Okay, right. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay, so all the teams of for the development track are already been called and judged by our judge. Now the final team for the content creation part, that is the DCE Code Warriors, will show their product that they have created. Manav, you can take the stage now.
Hello everyone. Actually, sorry for the earlier trouble due to internet connection. So my team name is DC Code Warriors, and we are two members in that team. Myself, Manav Yadav of CSIT branch 6M, and my partner is Mehul Sharma, CSIT branch 6M. So we decided to create content on the topic artificial intelligence and learn with the real life example of AI. So we created a video out of which we we ourselves taught the topic artificial intelligence on blackboard and then posted it in the content creation. So I am sharing the link in the chat box. Rest if possible, Shruti, can you please share the video?
Okay, so it is not on the drive. So if it will be on drive, it will be audible. I'll share from my end, and please let me know if it is audible or not. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Let me know if it is audible or not.
Yeah, Shruti, it is audible.
My name is Manav.
Is it audible?
Yes, Shruti, it is audible.
Okay, I'm muting myself now.
It is not audible now. Hello.
She has to unmute her mic, so then only it will be audible.
Shruti?
Okay. I'll play the video again.
Can a machine think? Hello everyone, my name is Manav Yadav. My name is Mehul Sharma. And we are DCE Code Warriors. So guys, आज हम देखने वाले हैं कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस हमारी डेली लाइफ में कैसे हेल्प कर सकता है। हम कुछ रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे जिसकी मदद से हम ये समझेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कैसे हमारी लाइफ को और इजी करता है। और आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का इंट्रोडक्शन, साथ ही साथ में एग्जांपल्स और आगे इसका क्या-क्या फ्यूचर होगा या इसकी क्या-क्या नीड है हमारी लाइफ के अंदर, तो हम ये सारी चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे। सो गाइस, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के इवोल्यूशन से। सबसे पहला जो कंप्यूटर आया था उसका मेन पर्पस ये था कि जर्मन जो कम्युनिकेशन थी ड्यूरिंग वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 उसको ब्रेक करने का। हम इस इवोल्यूशन के अंदर यहां से स्टार्ट करते हैं कि एलन ट्यूरिंग एक बंदा था जिसने आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के ऊपर एक रिसर्च पेपर सबसे पहले सबमिट किया था। उस रिसर्च पेपर की जो हेडिंग थी वो यही थी, कैन अ मशीन थिंक, जिसके अंदर उसने बताया था कि क्या हमारी मशीन इतनी इंटेलिजेंट है कि वो ह्यूमन की तरह बिहेव कर सके, क्या हम ऐसी मशीन बना सकते हैं कि जो ह्यूमन के ब्रेन को रिप्लेस कर सके, क्या हम ऐसी चीजें कर सकते हैं मशीन की हेल्प से जिससे कि हमारा ह्यूमन ब्रेन कमजोर और हमारा काम मशीन करके दे सके। तो इसी प्रकार एलन ट्यूरिंग ने कुछ टेस्ट करे थे। एलन ट्यूरिंग ने काफी सारे टेस्ट किए थे, जिसको सबसे पहला जो टेस्ट था वो था ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट। तो गाइस, आज हम पढ़ेंगे ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट के बारे में जो कि एलन ट्यूरिंग ने प्रपोज किया था। सबसे पहले एक टेस्ट हुआ था जिसके अंदर 3 रूम्स थे, एक के अंदर मेल था, एक के अंदर फीमेल थी, एक के अंदर ह्यूमन इंटरोगेटर था। अब ह्यूमन इंटरोगेटर को ये बताना था कि किस रूम में मेल है और किस रूम में फीमेल है बेस्ड ऑन टेली रिटन आंसर्स। ठीक है, तो अब ये हुआ था कि इनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे एंड टेली रिटन आंसर्स के बेस के ऊपर ह्यूमन इंटरोगेटर ने बताया कौन मेल है कौन फीमेल। अब इस टेस्ट को आगे जब एक्सपैंड किया गया तो जो मेल है उसकी जगह पे हमने यहाँ पे डाल दी मशीन। क्या डाल दी? मशीन। ठीक है, तो अब ह्यूमन इंटरोगेटर को ये बताना था कि किस में मशीन है और किस में फीमेल है बेस्ड ऑन टेली टाइप की आंसर्स। ठीक है, तो यही टेस्ट को आगे जब लाया गया तो इसका नाम दिया गया ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट और बाय एलन ट्यूरिंग। सो गाइस, इस ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट की मदद से हमने ये जाना था कि हमारी जो मशीन है वो कितनी आर्टिफिशियली इंटेलिजेंट है। अगर हम ये ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट करेंगे तो इसमें हम ये जान सकेंगे कि अगर इंटरोगेटर ये बता पाएगा कि कौन से रूम में मशीन है और कौन से रूम में फीमेल है, तो हमारी मशीन इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है। और अगर ये बता सके ना बता सके कि कौन से रूम में मशीन है कौन से रूम में फीमेल है, तो हमारी मशीन इंटेलिजेंट है। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का इवोल्यूशन इस टेस्ट की वजह से हुआ। अब हम इसका एक रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल देखते हैं। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एक रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल हम सबने देखा है जो कि है टेस्ला का। टेस्ला कार इतनी इंटेलिजेंट है कि जिसके अंदर आप अपने बैठ के अपनी लोकेशन डालेंगे, जहाँ की अपने वर्क प्लेस की या फिर अपने घर की, अगर हम वहां पर अपनी लोकेशन डालें तो हमारी कार डायरेक्टली उस लोकेशन पे जा सकती है। हमारी कार वहां पर हमको स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी और वहां से जो हमारा स्टार्टिंग डेट पॉइंट है वहां से लेकर डेस्टिनेशन तक अपना आप जाएगी। चाहे बीच में कोई भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है, चाहे बीच में कोई गाड़ी है, इंसान है, स्पीड ब्रेकर है, वो अपनी एक्सेलरेशन, ब्रेकिंग और जो भी गियर शिफ्टिंग है वो ऑटोमेटिकली अपने हिसाब से कर सकती है विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेंसर्स। इस टेस्ला के अंदर जितने भी इंटेलिजेंट हमारे पास सेंसर्स हैं, जितनी भी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, इससे हमारे ह्यूमंस का काफी ज्यादा हेल्पफुल हो रहा है। इसीलिए ऐसे आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल बहुत सारे हो गाइस। अब टेस्ला वाले एग्जांपल के बाद सेकंड रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल की बारी आती है जो कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में रोज यूज करते हैं, जो कि है गूगल असिस्टेंट फॉर एंड्रॉइड यूजर्स एंड एप्पल सिरी फॉर आईओएस यूजर्स। दोनों के अंदर क्या होता है, हम अपने वॉइस के थ्रू क्वेरी भेजते हैं और उस क्वेरी को एनएलपी नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग के थ्रू वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है लैंग्वेज में और वो लैंग्वेज से रिजल्ट प्रोसेस होकर हमें मिलता है ऑटोमेटिकली। इसमें हमें टाइप करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं होती, वॉइस के थ्रू ही सारा काम हो जाता है। ठीक है, और आपको पता ही है कि गूगल कोई बिट्स में, बाइट्स में या किलोबाइट्स में डेटा स्टोर नहीं करता है, वो हेक्साबाइट्स और टेराबाइट्स में डाटा स्टोर करता है। तो काफी लार्ज प्लेटफॉर्म है और इस लार्ज प्लेटफॉर्म में ये छोटी सी क्वेरी बोलते ही आपका रिजल्ट कुछ ही सेकंड्स में आ जाता है। तो इसका एग्जाम, तो ये चीज जो है वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के थ्रू ही प्रोसेस होती है। सो गाइस इन दोनों रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल से हमारी एक सिंपल सी डेफिनेशन आती है कि हम एक ऐसी मशीन बनाना चाहते हैं जो कि ह्यूमन ब्रेन की तरह थिंक कर सके, उतनी ही इंटेलिजेंट हो। सो अगर हम इस चीज के अंदर कामयाब होते हैं तो हम ये बोलेंगे हमारी जो मशीन है या हमारा जो कंप्यूटर है वो एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट मशीन है या फिर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट कंप्यूटर है। तो गाइस अब जो आपने पढ़ा वो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एवोल्यूशन था और उसके रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स थे। अब आपको इससे रिलेटेड कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो आप हमें dcecodewarriors@gmail.com पे कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
So, ma'am, this was our video on artificial intelligence and real life example of AI.
Okay, Manav, let me ask you a few things.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose this topic? This was very common on YouTube. I can find a lot of videos with this topic. I was
Actually,
actually
ma'am,
searching for the same.
we wanted to do this topic because we ourselves very well know this topic, and I thought that we can give our best in this topic as well. So I thought this topic should be the best for us to make the content or video.
Okay, what is the difference between all the other videos on this topic and your video?
Ma'am, in this video, I have given all the information in a crisp and short manner. But other in other videos, you have to see lot of unnecessary or detailed information.
Okay, are you going to post it on YouTube also after this event, or will you be keeping it to yourself?
No, ma'am, we'll be creating a whole playlist of artificial intelligence. Then we will be posting on YouTube.
Okay, what kind of topics you are trying, to incorporate in your YouTube list?
Ma'am, regarding to, we are starting from artificial intelligence, and we'll figure it out in later according to the response we get.
Okay, I think your partner is not here.
Yes, ma'am, he's not
Okay,
here.
okay, fine. Thank you, Manav, for your
Thank you so much, ma'am.
presentation. Okay.
Okay, so all the teams are now being concluded, and I think the result evaluation part for the development track is done. And for the content creation part, I will request Bhumika ma'am to provide the marks in the evaluation sheet because we will announce the winners for both the tracks in the same stream. So as the result for the development track is ready, I will announce the top three in the same manner of the development tracks right now. So the team which stood third in the track is the team Tech Hack. Congratulations for participating and congratulations for being third in the development track in the last hackathon that we have concluded, that is Hacker Relay. The runner-up for the development track is Team Introspectors. Congratulations, Sai, for getting the second position in the same hackathon. And the winner is My PG Life. Congratulations, Swastik, for winning the hackathon. Congratulations for winning the development track for the same. The prizes will be given on Monday for the one who are from our college, that is DCE, and the team which is not from our college, which are from another college. We will send your prizes and the cash prize by UPI soon. For the content creation part, the results are already being given by our judge. So the team which stood second is Rogue Mystics. Congratulations for getting the second position in the content creation part. And congratulations, Manav, for winning the track one, that is content creation of Hacker Relay. I will congratulate every team once again for participating in Hacker Relay. And thank you, judges Naman Singh and Bhumika ma'am, for attending this meet, for agreeing for being the judge of the last hackathon that we have organized. Thank you for all the attendees as well. And yeah, that's all from our side. And prize distribution will be done on Monday for all the college students. That's all from our side. You can leave now. Thank you to the judges once again.
Thank you so much, Shruti, for making us part of this event. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Shruti. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.